you can use chlorhexidine gluconate or hexidine mouthwash in two ways to reduce the pain of your erupting wisdom tooth. First, that is conventional method. You have to take 2 teaspoons of that mouthwash or 10 ml of mouthwash. Then you have to rinse for 1 minute. After that, you have to spit it out, and for 30 minutes no water or food should be taken. And this procedure you have to repeat after 12 hours. That means twice a day. So this is a conventional mouth rinsing technique. Second, you can take a small piece of cotton, you can soak with that mouthwash. You just kept it at the site where you are getting pain. So by keeping for few minutes, this is also an effective way to combat the pain of erupting third molar or erupting wisdom tooth. And of course, if your issue doesn't get resolved, you must have to go to doctor for the permanent treatment of third molar, that is extraction, or if there is normal simple cavity, normal filling should be enough. But most of the time treatment for a third molar tooth or wisdom tooth is extraction. So this way you can handle the pain of erupting wisdom tooth.